Thailand has announced a nationwide curfew from 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. as it works to contain the coronavirus. Now, the measure kicks in tomorrow night, and it's just been announced by Prime Minister Prayut Chan-o-cha. He's urged people not to panic, saying they will still be able to make essential purchases during the day. Thailand has 1,875 confirmed cases and 15 deaths. Successor Sambat joins us live from Bangkok right now. Success, so this nationwide curfew starting tomorrow evening, what sparked this? And question is, why is the government targeting the overnight hours only?
Well, that is an interesting question, why this is a night curfew and not an all-day 24-hour curfew. But we have seen these nightly curfews imposed already in many different parts of the country, in many different provinces, especially in the south that has been hit the hardest. But it was a matter of time that similar measures would be taken here in the capital of Bangkok as well. We already had an order that all shops, including the 24-hour convenience stores, would be closed overnight, and now we have this nightly curfew coming up. Thailand remains the province with the highest number of COVID-19 cases, even though the virus has now spread to all across the country. And majority of the 77 provinces all report COVID-19 cases now. And this curfew in Bangkok here will remain until further notice. There will be exceptions, however, of course. For example, medical personnel, people going and coming from work, transportation of supplies, and also people that are coming and going to the airport. Those people definitely will be allowed to break the curfew. Everybody else who breaks the curfew, they could be subjected to up to 2 years of jail or a fine of 40,000 Thai baht or both. So that is what the Thai Prime Minister has said in his televised address not too long ago. But he also said to those Thais that are abroad in Thailand that Thailand is not abandoning him amidst news, even though that there are news out there that Thais are being asked not to come to Thailand at least until April the 15th. All in all, the number of cases is still rising, and also the number of deaths in Thailand is still rising, even though we're not seeing the explosive surge as of now yet, but it's still at a rate that we cannot say that we have peaked yet.
Saksith, the government will reportedly discuss a new economic package tomorrow. What measures could be included?
Well, we do not know quite yet what these measures will look like. The Prime Minister Prayut Chan-o-cha has called for a special cabinet meeting on Friday for all ministers to come. We do already know that we already have seen 2 stimulus packages, and according to media reports, some ministers have suggested that the third such package will definitely be bigger than those previous 2 combined. So we are looking at a ballpark figure of 500 billion Thai baht, about $15 billion US. We have already seen cash hands out of 5,000 baht to people that applied for that. The website where people could apply for that, of course, crashed under that load. About 19 million Thai people, Thai citizens, have applied for that. Whether or not all of them will get their money, that is a different matter. Further than that, Prime Minister Prayut has also hinted in his address that a lot of people will be helped through this difficult time, not only health-wise, but also economically. For example, delay of loan payment, and SMEs will maybe get a tax break, and also costs for water and electricity supplies will be lowered as well. So all these things are definitely measures that are needed to be taking place for the inevitable economic downturn during this COVID-19 pandemic, and especially once this COVID-19 is over.
Okay, many thanks for that. Saksith Sambat speaking to us from Bangkok.